The world needs to know what the Khasis, the Panars, and the Garos, what traditions we have, and the knowledge that we have, the knowledge that our forefathers had, and share it with the world. The Capt. Williamson Sangma Museum, we are seeing it transform today. And I would like to see that digitization takes place, engagement takes place, the youth and the students who come to see this, the tourists who come to see, should be able to engage and feel our culture and not just see it. My message to the youngsters is, we want you to feel proud of who you are. So while culture is our identity, culture is also our knowledge. Our traditions are our knowledge. And today, if you look at the world, there's so many things happening. And sometimes we don't realize that our forefathers had the wisdom and the knowledge that today's world sometimes cannot even imagine. Because they have seen it through years and centuries and decades and come up with certain practices for a particular reason. And this knowledge, this culture and tradition, that knowledge that we have, the tribal community that these knowledges that we have, are actually in some ways solutions to the current problems we face. Our traditional medicine that we have, the different practices in terms of preserving our environment, whether it is to have our sacred groves and the forest, whether it is to have the natural bridges that we have. This is knowledge. This culture and tradition is knowledge. And we must ensure that we share this with the world.